Hello everyone, welcome to MBA Karo. A lot of B schools in their applications ask you to write SOP, that is statement of purpose. Now, what are some of the things that you need to keep in mind in order to write an SOP? I will be telling in this video, so please do watch this video till end. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So first and the foremost thing in an SOP is that you must state whatever your goals are. Okay, so you should tell that why do you want to pursue an MBA and how that MBA program is going to help you achieve your goals. So it could be personal goals or it could be professional goals. So that is the first thing why MBA is included in this question itself. So statement of purpose includes certain things that you need to tell. First thing is, why do you want to pursue an MBA? Second thing is, you must tell about your qualifications, your whatever any relevant work experience, academic achievements, or other awards and accolades that make you strong candidate for the program. So they receive thousands of applications, right? They have to select a few students out of those. So in order to filter those, they look for these points. So first thing is about why MBA. Second thing is about your achievements. If you do not have achievements, you must be having some relevant work experience, or you have some academic achievements, or you have some diversity. If you come from a diverse academic background, you can mention about that, or anything that you have done. Okay, so awards and all. So mention all those things so that your application stands out. Third thing is explain why you are interested in that particular college. So let us say if you are writing an SOP for FMS, so you must tell that why are you interested in FMS. Okay, to be particular, and do some research on that college, right? So this will show that you are genuinely interested in that college. So let us say if you are writing about FMS, so you should know that okay, what are the placement statistics, what are some of the best faculty members over there, okay, what name of some of the alumni, etc. So you should know that for interviews you should not be mentioning them in the SOP, but tell them that why you're interested. You can state like the faculty is great. Okay, you get great opportunities in so and so field. Let us say FMS is known for marketing, right? So a lot of FMCG companies visit the campus, so you can state that I have keen interest on marketing, and this program can be a good place where I can get to interact with the best of the firms. Okay, so you should tell about that study areas. Let us say if there is a college which is good for finance, you can mention that this is one of the best institutes in finance, or tell about some faculty members that you mention that you have done research on the great faculty members, etc., etc. Okay, so tell about that research. Whatever research have you done about that college, state that. Then keep it precise. Do not make a very long SOP unless they have given a word limit. Try to keep it to 200 to 50 words, because people do not like to read very long essays, right? So generally, if there is a word limit given, then stick to it. Let us say if they're given that it should be not more than 200 words, it should be not more than 400 words. If it is given, then stick to it. If it is not given, keep it to 200 to 250 words. That should be sufficient. I think in FMS form they have given you 1,000 characters. That should be around 150 words. Approximately 150 words if you consider six letters per word, characters per word. So that would be approximate that. And if any B school does not specify limit, keep it to 250. If they say that you have to write 400 words or 500 words, then follow that word limit. Then very important is before submitting, please check your SOP for any spelling and grammar mistakes, because that is the first impression that you get, that okay, you have poor English, you cannot write sentences properly, so that would be a problem. So you can use tools like Grammarly. Grammarly is a freely available plugin on Google Chrome. You can use it and just check it that if there are grammar errors, it will suggest you certain things like you have some punctuation missing, or you have some spelling mistake or some other grammatical mistake. It will correct it for you. So use any such tools so that you proofread the text and should be error free from your end. So keep these things in mind and write an SOP. So here's a sample SOP that I've shown you. So like if there is a word limit, and if you feel that these things exceed, in that case just avoid that. But if like you have a longer word limit, let us say 400 words or so, so these things will not matter. So in that case, write it properly that dear admission committee, I am writing to apply for the MBA program at FMS Delhi. So in case there is a shorter word limit, so you can avoid these things. Okay. And you can write the other format. Okay. So let's see this SOP. So I'm confident that this program will provide me with the knowledge and skills. So why MBA? Knowledge and skills. Okay. Career goals and business management. So you mentioned about career goals, right? And then as I said that you should tell about your graduation, work experience, or any achievements. So that is also mentioned that I have done my bachelor's in this from so and so, and that you worked in this firm, and then you have you felt the need, why do you want to in that firm, you realize that you encountered obstacles, and then you realize that okay, MBA is something that is going to assist you in a successful career. Okay. And then you can mention about your extracurricular activities also if you have. So you did this, you led a team, etc., etc., so that it your application stands out. They realize, okay, this is a person, this person wants to do MBA for so and so reason, the person has worked in this workplace, brings this kind of skill set. Let us say if you worked in some technical field, so you will bring that kind of skill set. If you are a commerce graduate, you will have different kind of skill sets. So mention about your graduation, what you did in graduation, what field are you into, and if you have any extracurricular achievements, good. Or even if let us say you have some great hobby, and if you have done great in that, you can mention about that also. Let us say you are a cricket player, or some other musical instrument player at some larger level, you can mention about that, that you have been actively participating in these activities as well. Okay. So then you have you show some excitement, like say that like I'm excited to join this college which is known for strong pedagogy. So this shows that you have done some research, and you are praising that college. So first tell about yourself, your achievements, your career goals, why do you want, and some praise for the college, like strong pedagogy in marketing and its partnership with leading companies in the industry. Need not mention all the companies, but yes, you can just say that leading companies in this sector, or let us say if you are interested in some particular field and you feel that this college is good for that, so just mention that it is known for uh, uh, like good pedagogy in marketing or operations, like that. Okay. And then thank them that yes, thank you for considering my application, and I look forward the opportunity to study at this place. So this shows that you have a genuine interest in that. Okay. So of course everyone has genuine interest, but you should show through your words also that you are excited. So use these kind of words that I am excited. Okay. I look forward to the opportunity. So this shows that, I mean, in written communication, you're showing that you are interested in that program, and that makes your SOP stand out. So this was a sample SOP. I hope this would given have given you some idea how to write an SOP, and make sure that you proofread it. You can use tools like Grammarly or any other grammar checking tools so that your SOP is